everyone. We are MeGis, passionate about food and travel. And today we're in the Le Brennet to see the waterfall of this river, which is called Le Doubs. It's between Switzerland and the border of France. So this part is, here is Swiss. And the other side of the river, like that?
France.
France. Sure, it'll be. There is a France and there is a Switzerland. So, let's go. What do you think?
Yes, let's go.
Okay, we finally arrived from the hill or the mountain, from the parking. So we arrived by car, and we went all way down. And here you can see the amazing stuff. If you can see here, have you seen this kind of metal? That is a bridge, and this bridge, the side where Megumi now going, she will show you.
Can see?
That is a Swiss side, and she move. And that is a French side. So now we go and we will cross. But the first thing we will go now is we go to the, where we go? The
Waterfall.
Okay, let's go to the waterfall. If you want to know the name of this place, it's called, this river is called Le Doubs. And it's always between the border between France and Switzerland. Okay, let's go. Now we are on the bridge we showed you before. And you will see now I stay in Switzerland and I say hello to Megumi. She's going the other side. Where is?
France.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you next country. I stay in Switzerland, and Megumi, she's another country, so she's in France. Welcome back. We will visit later together to go to France. How was France? Did you get a good weather?
Yeah.
All right. So it's different, huh?
Different, yeah.
Okay, so now we go to the fall and come back to the France together. Okay, let's go. Where we are really close to the water. Look at that. Touch Megumi the water. Megumi will touch the water.
All wet.
Yeah, of course, all wet.
Okay. Really clear. Look.
Yes, c'est bien. Cold?
Yeah, cold, but not much.
No?
It's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Not too much cold. Okay. So you can see it's a easy walk to go to this waterfall. It takes a little bit time, probably from the parking. 1 hour?
1 hour, yeah.
Yeah, so more or less 1 hour from the parking. That's really nice. We finally arrived.
Yes.
It was not too long, actually.
30 minutes.
Yeah.
1 hour.
Yeah.
Wow.
Walking slowly. So we will show you. Follow us, and it's really amazing. So.
Yeah, amazing.
Okay, we are right. Let's see. Okay, you see how much water to this waterfall.
Yeah.
And now we are going to cross the border and to see the waterfall from the French side. And it's good in the French side, there are 2 viewpoints.
Yeah.
So we will go. So be patient, it won't be long. Another 5 minutes and we will be there. So see you soon.
See you soon. Let's go, France.
Yeah, let's go to France. La France. Like they said, La France, famous for the cheese and the baguette, and also the croissant.
Croissant, pain au chocolat.
Pain au chocolat, oui, la France. Okay, let's go. We arrived. Just the last hello before we cross the border. So now we're in Switzerland. In 5 seconds, we will be
France.
in France. Yes, let's go.
Bye bye, Swiss.
Bye bye, Swiss. Yes. And here we're in the middle.
Yes.
We're in the middle. Megumi, she's probably in French.
Yeah.
In France, and I'm in Switzerland.
Yes.
So also I'm in France. Okay, wait.
Let's go.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
They said in French, bonjour. Okay. Where we are?
Ouais.
Ooh,
Welcome
already
to France.
nice sun in France. Totally different. Yeah, different weather. Yeah. Okay, welcome. We'll show you. You can stand by. The border security.
Yes. He is border security.
Okay.
They explain to the past what's going on.
Historical.
Yeah.
Coffee time.
Now coffee time.
Just on time for coffee time. Cup. Always we bring a small cup. Nice. I will hold for you. And don't that after a nice walk, it's always good to have a coffee time.
Yes. Cheers.
Cheers. Nice and warm. Nice, huh? That is MeGis.
Nice.
Yeah. Really enjoy. Nearly want to jump in the water because so clear.
Yes.
But I don't think in October the water will be warm enough. And of course, with coffee time, always small snack.
Small snack. Okay.
What did we get today?
Today we get can see?
Ah, that is a apple strudel. Wow. It's not too big, but we share. It's the first time we try, so I don't know if it's yum or not. Oh, look. Ah, inside is cinnamon and also some sultana. And of course, apples.
Yeah.
Can feel really the cinnamon, but it's a good harmony with this apple. Huh? Did you get also the sultana?
No.
Ah, that's why only me. Only me.
Oh no, here.
Ah, you get one. Okay. It's a good combination with just this pastry. So after this small break, we will keep going and try to do a little bit go to the French side because here we are really on border. We are actually still in France here, so actually we have to go further down to see the waterfall from the different perspective.
Yeah.
And it's quite amazing and beautiful from both of sides, so it's good we share that to you. Yeah. Megumi, I already finished because we
Really?
yeah, because we just share.
You want?
No. Coffee is nice.
Second is ta-da!
Ah, the boat arrived.
Oh,
What is this? Kind of, how I can say, to describe this one is interesting, how we can say, the shape, round, just pastry. I think inside is cream or custard cream. Oh, cheese. I think custard cream.
custard cream. Yeah, I think cream. And really thin.
Yeah, of course, thin. Wow. It's not really comfortable on the stone, but really enjoy.
Custard cream. Yum.
But this custard cream is particular.
Yeah. Maybe condensed milk.
Taste kind of condensed milk. Yeah,
Also butter.
yeah, it's a mix. But for a small snack, nice.
Nice.
And that is a small paradise we found.
Yeah.
To find place like that, you just need to take, just to walk, let's say, 5 minutes from tourist place. If you are able to walk 5 minutes away from a tourist place and be brave to explore, it's not all the time we find nice place, but often it happens. So we take advantage of it. Now we arrive at the highest point in the French side, and from here you can see an amazing view. We really recommend that. We recommend this part. So Megumi will show you.
Yeah, let's go.
And this waterfall, how high?
Around 20 meters.
Wow.
Quite high. Yeah.
Okay guys, we unfortunately arrive at the end of this adventure. I hope you enjoy it. For us, it was really amazing to see this river and this waterfall. And if you enjoy it, please leave us a thumbs up. And I think what we can say, see you next video.
Take
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.